Today, we are talking about how to build long term affiliate income. Many people start affiliate marketing hoping to make money quickly, but the truth is that building a steady income takes time, planning, and the right strategy. Affiliate marketing works when you promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead you generate. The key to success is not just making one time sales, but creating systems that continue to earn money over months and years. In this video, I will explain how you can build a long term affiliate income in a way that is sustainable and realistic. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and share useful tools that help you to grow online. Today, we are talking about long term affiliate income so you can create steady income from products you believe in. I also placed helpful links in the description where you can explore tools and platforms that help you with affiliate marketing. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. By using that links, any offers or benefits will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video and let's understand how to build long-term affiliate income. The first step is choosing the right products or services to promote. Instead of promoting anything that pays a commission, focus on products that are useful, high quality, and relevant to your audience. If people trust your recommendations, they are more likely to buy. And this helps build long term income because customers keep coming back. Choosing recurring products like subscription services can also help because you can earn commissions every month instead of just once. The second step is creating content that adds value. Long term affiliate income comes from building trust and authority. You can create blogs, YouTube videos, or social media posts that educate, review, or demonstrate the products. For example, instead of just saying buy this product, show how it solves a problem or how it helped you. Valuable content attracts people naturally, which helps a consistent traffic and more sales over time. Another important step is building an email list. Email marketing allows you to stay in contact with your audience and promote products in a way that is personal and engaging. With an email list, you can send helpful tips, product recommendations, and updates. When people trust your emails, they are more likely to click on affiliate links and make purchases. This list becomes one of your most important sources of long term affiliate income. It is important to focus on multiple traffic sources. Relying on just one platform like YouTube or Instagram can be risky because algorithms change. Instead, use a combination of blogs, social media, email marketing, and search traffic. This creates a more stable system so that even if one source slows down, it still get consistent visitors to your content. Automation tools can also help you save time and keep your affiliate income growing. For example, you can schedule social media posts, automate your email sequences, or use AI tools to create content faster. Automation helps maintain the consistency, which is very important for long term income. Tracking and optimizing performance is another key. You need to know which products, content, or links are generating the most income. Many affiliate programs provide dashboards with click and sale data. So you can also use tools like Google Analytics. By focusing on what works and improving it, you can increase your income steadily over time. So in simple word, long-term affiliate income is built by promoting the right product, creating valuable content, building an email list, using multiple traffic sources, automating tasks, and tracking the result. This takes patience, but once you create a system, it can continue to earn more money for months, even years. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more simple tutorials on online business, affiliate marketing, and tools that help you to grow. And don't forget to check the link from description so any available benefits or special offer that will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Take care and start building your long-term affiliate income today.